Welcome to this stunning all-brick home in Worthington Woods, where timeless curb appeal meets everyday luxury. With 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and nearly 3,000 square feet, there's space to relax, gather, and entertain. The resort-style backyard features a heated saltwater pool, hot tub, and a peaceful waterfall, your own private escape. Inside, enjoy a formal living room, oversized family room with custom fireplace, and a sunroom filled with natural light. The kitchen wows with granite counters, stainless appliances, and custom lighting perfect for any chef. Upstairs, the primary suite features a marble shower, soaking tub, and a large walk-in closet. Plus, the laundry is conveniently upstairs. Thoughtfully designed and built to last, this isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle.